Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about tools. So there are a lot of tools you can see here. Available tools: import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. So I'm going to click each one of them and opening them in a new tab. So the very first one is available tools. So let's see what we have here. So in the available tools, you can see categories and tags converter. If you want to convert your categories to tags or vice versa, like tags to categories, use the categories and tags converter available from the import screen. So this is basically it. There's nothing more to see here. So closing this one. Then the next one is import. So let's see what we have there. So if you have posts or comments in another system, WordPress can import those into this site. To get started, choose a system to import from below. So we have couple of systems, and if we have posts or comments and that we want to import, then we can use these things, and all we have to do is we have to install now, and thus we can import those things in no time. So this is something that you can use. The next one is export. So this is pretty self-explanatory. If you want to export something, like when you click the button below, WordPress will create an XML file for you to save to your computer. So you can basically export all the content you have, or simply the posts or the pages or the media. Anything you check here and click download export file, it will be downloaded in your local host, meaning your PC. So that you can have a copy of everything you want in your PC as a backup. So this is how you do that. So let's cross that as well. The next thing is export. So this is the same thing. Why I have clicked these two times. Okay, so this is basically the same thing. The next one is site health. Site health status results are still loading, so it will eventually give you the site health check shows critical information about your WordPress configuration and items that require your attention. So currently I am having zero critical issues, and currently this it's recommending me four recommended improvements. You should remove inactive plugins. So I have couple inactive plugins that this is saying to remove. You should remove inactive themes. So if you remember, we had four themes: 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017 maybe. So I only have activated one theme, but I don't need three other themes at this moment. So this is saying that I should remove inactive themes. Next one is one or more recommended modules are missing, and thus your site does not use HTTPS. So these four are recommended improvements that it's saying, and it has also checked the site health and it's showing me good. So these are not major issues, but you can do this if you want, but these are not major issues at all. Like if you keep your themes or plugins that you are not using, you are only using some extra storage from your hosting, but that's not a big deal right now, because we are in the local host. So no worry. So I'm crossing this one for now. The next one is export personal data. So an email will be sent to the user at this email address asking them to verify the request. So we can eventually export personal data from here. And the last one is erase personal data. So the same thing, just the previous one was exporting and this one is erasing. So this is basically it in all in this is basically all the tools in tools tab that you can use. So whenever you need to. So I'm crossing this one as well. So we have completed these sections, and we are only left with settings. So in my next video I will talk about settings and what things that you should look for in settings when you are just starting with your WordPress websites. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.